Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked this video or if it was helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Today I will show you how to slice a text from an image. So let's get started. On the left side panel, let's grab a shape. If you click on the circle next to the scissors, you can click and change the color for viewing purposes if you'd like. Now let's go back to the left side panel to enter a text. And I'm going to bring the text up here. Then I'm going to change the font just for fun. And if you want the letters to be touching like I do, just go to the top panel and click on the letter space and click on the down arrow to bring the letters closer to each other. Select the text and click Weld. Now just place the text on top of the shape. Select both, and then go to the bottom right and click Slice. And there you go. That is how you slice a text on an image on Cricut Design Space. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like or leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.